what does over $2 billion worth of real estate actually look like? Today, we're going inside the most extravagant, jaw-dropping homes owned by the tech world's richest billionaires, from sprawling coastal mansions to private island empires, and one estate so big it's practically its own mini-country. Welcome to the ultra-exclusive world of Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, and Larry Ellison, where luxury isn't just lifestyle, it's legacy. Let's dive in. Jeff Bezos, from Amazon to Indian Creek Island. First up, Jeff Bezos. The founder of Amazon isn't just one of the richest people ever. His real estate portfolio might be just as impressive. Bezos owns multiple estates across the United States, from the bustling streets of Manhattan to the sunny shores of Miami. His recent focus? A place dubbed the Billionaire Bunker on Indian Creek Island, Florida. This tiny island isn't tiny for long. Bezos has snapped up multiple adjacent properties here, turning them into a private billionaire enclave. Here's how it stacks up. A waterfront estate with sweeping views, huge custom builds with marble floors and vast living spaces. Plans rumored for bespoke new construction once older homes are razed. But that's just Florida. Bezos also owns a Washington, D.C. mansion in the prestigious Kalorama neighborhood, multiple Manhattan apartments totaling over 24,000 square feet, and a vast ranch in Texas that serves as both a luxury estate and headquarters for Blue Origin. Experts estimate that his U.S. property holdings alone top $500 million, and that's before new projects are finished. The man who built Amazon now surrounds himself with space-age vision and real estate that's just as expansive. Bill Gates, the high-tech Medina Mansion. Next, Bill Gates. The Microsoft co-founder's primary estate isn't just a home, it's a masterclass in tech and design. Located in Medina, Washington, Gates's mansion, often simply called Xanadu 2.0, sprawls across nearly 10 acres of waterfront property on Lake Washington. This isn't your average luxury house. High-tech everything, the estate uses advanced sensor networks to control lighting, temperature, and sound throughout. Enormous footprint. At roughly 66,000 square feet, it's larger than most luxury hotels. Social spaces, multiple kitchens, entertainment rooms, and a dining hall that can host hundreds. What's more, the property features its own theater, enormous pools, and a guest house that rivals a boutique hotel. Despite recent sales of some adjacent properties, Gates's Medina estate remains one of the most technologically sophisticated homes on the planet, combining wealth with innovation in every corner. Larry Ellison, the Island King. And now, the largest private landowner among the tech elite, Larry Ellison. You might have heard of Hawaii's Lanai, a lush, tropical island most people visit as a vacation destination, but for Ellison, it's home. Ellison, co-founder of Oracle, owns roughly 98% of the entire island, turning it into a private paradise unlike anything else. That means pristine beaches for private use, forest and mountain retreats all under one ownership, luxury resorts that Ellison can access, but the rest of the island remains serene and secluded. He also owns opulent estates in Malibu, Florida, and Rhode Island, each reflecting a different lifestyle vibe, from beachfront luxury to classic East Coast sophistication. Ellison's real estate strategy isn't just about one mansion, it's about reshaping entire landscapes for privacy, leisure, and legacy. What $2 billion gets you in real estate? Let's break it down. What exactly does $2 billion in mansions look like when you combine these three visionaries? Jeff Bezos, multiple luxury estates, including Indian Creek Island compounds, Manhattan penthouses, and Washington mansions, likely adding up to hundreds of millions. Bill Gates, the high-tech Medina mansion alone is worth a huge sum, even after property sales. Larry Ellison, ownership of an entire Hawaiian island, plus multiple estates, pushes his residential footprint into the stratosphere. Altogether, that's easily over $2 billion in real estate holdings, and that's not even counting private jets, yachts, or investment properties outside of their personal homes. Why these homes matter. So why do these homes fascinate us so much? It's not just the insane square footage, it's the story they tell. Freedom, a life where privacy isn't a luxury, it's standard. Innovation, homes outfitted with cutting-edge tech before the rest of the world even hears about it. Vision, owning an island versus a city duplex. These are choices few of us will ever understand. These aren't just houses, they're statements about power, influence, and possibility. And that's a look inside more than $2 billion worth of the most extravagant homes in tech. From private islands to high-tech mansions, these estates redefine luxury for a new era. If you enjoyed this deep dive into billionaire real estate, smash that like button, subscribe for more incredible tours, and tell us in the comments which mansion shocked you the most. Until next time, dream big.